Welcome back guys, and in this tutorial I am going to tell you some more WhatsApp tips and tricks that will be related to status, chat history, and some shortcuts I will tell you, and then photo upload quality. So not wasting much of your time, I would like to request you, please subscribe this channel. So just coming to the topic, if anybody do not want that someone should see that he has seen his or her status, so if I do not want to see to be seen, if somebody do not see me that I have seen his or her status, what I need to do, what we need to do, just go to the settings and go to the privacy, and this read receipt should be off, it should be turned off, so anybody will not able to see that you have seen his or her status. So one more drawback of this is also that you will also not able to know that anybody has seen your status. You will also not know that how many people have seen your status. So this is what you have to decide what you want to do, but this is the setting by which you can do that. So this was the first thing. The second thing I wanted to tell you about chat history. You can send you can see the chat history of any of your contact. You can send, you can save. How you will do, just I will tell you. Go to the settings, then go to the chats, go to the chat history. Here you can export chat to mail or WhatsApp, and then you can see all the chats there. So this is all about the chat history. Now I will tell you, if you you have if you have uploaded your profile photo, and you are seeing that the quality of photo is not very good, what you will do, just go settings, and then you storage and data, and then photo upload quality. Here I have already selected. You have to select the best quality. Now you will see the difference, the qualities of photos and videos which you are sending or which you are uploading, that will be definitely increased. The quality will definitely increase. So this is about the quality. Then I also want to tell you that if someone has sent you an audio message, and you do not want that he or she should know that you have heard that message, what you need to do, just select that message. Suppose this is the audio message, select and just forward it to your any other number, suppose yourself. Here now it has come. So what will we do, from that contact you will select that audio message, you will forward that message to yourself or any other mobile number which is under your control, and then from there you can hear that message. That person will not able to recognize, because blue ticks will not come. So this is how you can manage to hear audio message without knowing that person that you have heard. So this is that. And I also wanted to tell you some short tricks. Suppose here you have to reply this message in a group. Here you are pressing it hard, then you reply it here. Okay, there was a problem guys. So if you want to reply this, you need to press for a long period, and then you can reply it here. You need not to do this, just swipe it right once and it will come here. So this was the first one. And if you want to say any voice message to anybody, just long press and upper, and now you can speak whatever you want to send. So these are the two tricks. So I hope that you have enjoyed this video, you have learned something, you will apply these things in your WhatsApp chats. So if you have liked this, please subscribe this channel, please press the bell icon, so that whenever I post a new video, you will able to get notification. So thank you guys, thank you very much.